students. Today we will deal with a topic in the writing section. And you all know that we have a writing section in which for class 9 and 10 there is different types of letter writing. Today we will discuss on the letter writing topic, and letter writing are divided into four types. First of all is the letter to editor, second is the order letter, third will be the complaint letter, and the fourth one is request letter. We will have look of all four types of letters, but first of all we will take a look on the writing section, and the first topic is letter of order placing. This is letter for order placing. A letter of order is a document. A letter of order is a document that tells or confirms about the sale and purchase of a product. It confirms or tells a detail of the sale and purchase of a product, and also provides detail of any such deeds. Means detail of the business between two different firms, two different companies is conveyed by this type of letter, letter of order. Here I have written a format to make you understand how you have to write letter of order, means order placing. Here the first thing that you have to do is just write your address, self address. This is your self address can be in 2 lines, can be in 3 lines. After that leave 1 line and you will write the date, that particular date when you are writing this letter. After writing the date, mention the name of the person, position, company name, and city where the company is situated. You have to write all this. After the date, we have to leave 1 line, and then we will give this information in 3 lines. Okay. After that, again leave 1 line, and we will write the subject for what you are writing this letter. After completing the subject, you will again leave 1 line and just write sir, and whatever you want to convey, we will start from here. The most common line that is used in most of the letters, that order letters, are: as per your business request letter, we are glad to inform you that we are placing order of. After that, you are placing order of benches, you are placing order of tables, you are placing order of sports equipment. Whatever you write, you can write here. You have to send a detail of everything. You can just in para 2, you can make quotations. For quotations, here serial number. After that, you will write the name of the equipment. Name of equipment. After that, number, price, and everything. You have to mention this everything, and you have to write, means 1, 2, whatever you want to order, you will write a quotation here. You will send this to the company. If he will agree that on that particular number he can supply, he will send you another quotation with the prices and the total resumptions, total money what you will need to pay. You can give information how you will pay and when you have to dispatch the orders, means when you have to receive the orders. The particular day you can mention here in paragraph 2. These things you have to mention here in paragraph 2. After completing all these informations, you will simply leave 1 line. After leaving 1 line, thanking you, and after thanking you, again if you want to leave 1 line, you can leave 1 line, and if you don't want to leave 1 line, then it's okay. After that, yours sincerely, and the name of that person will be the last thing that you have to write here. After that, this topic is completed and you will get good marks on the format in your board and other places. You will not be scolded for writing a bad format for the letters. Right? Thank you.